going on, you guys? Angel here, and today we're back with Subway Surfer. I'm gonna try to get up to at least 70,000 coins, cause cause I want to be able to get these characters. I want to be able to get Frank, and maybe where is he? And maybe this guy. But I don't know. But yeah, my main concern is probably Frank. Yeah. So. Oh, sorry. Alright. Let's try it. Let's try to get up to 70,000 coins. I've been trying to post a lot more, you guys, cause, yeah, I've been trying to post a lot more, cause I haven't been posting that much lately. Like, my last video was a Subway Surfer video, but that was me trying to upgrade my, thing, but I finally upgraded it, and kind of sad that I didn't get it on film. It got up to 70,000, so that's nice. It went so fast on 70,000. It was so crazy. Sorry, my friend distracted me. I kind of like this game. I think I made like this Clash of Clans video. I might make another one. I don't know, but I don't have Clash. I only have Clash of Clans on my iPad, so hopefully I can get up to 70,000 coins. Cause Frank actually looks pretty cool. I'm looking to get all the characters, but some of the characters are really gonna be hard to get because you have to collect some of the characters. You have to collect things in the mystery boxes. Yeah, you have to collect them, so that kind of sucks. What are you gonna do? Okay. These 2 times things really help because it doubles up the money every time you get money. It does. That's my friend talking in the background. Oh. I thought it doubled your money. Whoa. Okay. I'm not really saying a lot today, right now, because there's not really much to say. It's pretty basic. I'm pretty much just trying to get 70,000 coins. Well, not close. What? What was that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so, what are you doing? My friend just jumped off his bed, okay. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna get the ninja. I might get 3 characters because the ninja's only 20,000 and Frank's 40,000. So that I'll still have 10,000 left, so I can probably still get another character. The characters don't really cost that much, except some characters they cost, and some of the characters cost in like keys, and sometimes it gets kind of hard to get like 100 keys. Unless I want to buy them, which I kind of don't, because it'd be a waste of money buying keys. I remember this one time, funny story, I was playing, I think it was a game like that was sort of like Clash of Clans, but I can't remember what it's called. Oh yeah, Boom Beach. And I spent, no, this was on Clash of Clans, not Boom Beach. So I spent $200 on Clash of Clans. I spent $200 on upgrading things. Literally, that's it. I spent, yeah, $200 on just upgrading things. And I upgraded my town hall to level 10. And that alone probably cost $100. Just upgrading that, but I was stupid. Hopefully, I don't ever do that again. I don't know why I'm saying that, because I'm never, ever doing that again. My mom didn't trust me for a long time after that. She didn't trust me with, like, the password on things. She didn't, but now she does trust me. I have the password to Amazon thing, and the password to my Xbox. So, like Xbox movie store. Yeah, I have the password to that. So, tell me down in the comments what you guys think about school starting. It's been a pretty good school year so far. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty nice. I got a lot of my friends from last year, so it's almost the same as 6th grade, pretty much. Nothing really different. We're reading this book called The Giver in reading class, and that's pretty good. Tell me down in the comments if you've seen the movie or read the book, or if you've done both.
Yeah, I was reading the book, but me and you watched the movie before.
Yeah, I know. Alright. That's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry for not a very long video, but yeah, I'm just kind of tired today, so hang in there with me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Sorry, guys, I actually paused it. Well, see ya.